Good morning, students. I am Dr. Rajesh Kashyap. Today, I want to talk about your projects because I have given the project to you and you all are working on that particular project. But I didn't receive anything from your end, so that I thought that you are having a problem while creating a project report. The project report index has already been distributed to you. I have already given one of the presentation or videos related to that what is the index and how we are going to proceed with the index. So till now I have not found any of the project, but yesterday the Pooja Darekar has shared her project with us. So that let's go ahead with her project so that you will understand that what is expected, what are the changes is required in that particular project, right? So first we'll check with the project. Yeah, so this is the project which is shared by Pooja. Yesterday she has given me a call related to this. So this is the project name. The project is Tours and Travel Management System, right? So the Pooja Darekar has sent this, and they that for the first year subject in OS1, right? Then she has prepared a certificate that successfully completed this one, and that is for with the Dr. Rajesh Kashyap. Then she has made an acknowledgement for the same, and she has given the uh, uh, that she has recognized your contribution as a friend and the college and the faculty members. These are the index she has followed: client description, existing system, scope of the work, operating system, detailed technology used, proposed system, objective of the system, user requirement, object diagram, class diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, activity, data flow diagram, ER, DB, and data dictionary, menu tree, input, and report. Then user manual, limitation, proposed enhancement, conclusion, and bibliography. Just we have to go through so that we will understand that what she has done. So this is what the introduction part. So she has come with the one snap, and she is saying that journey is a much important as the destination. We make it all perfect. Good. So this is what she has written into the client description. The first changes which I suggest that first of all you must have to maintain the font and the size of the font. It should be 12. The heading must be 14. It should be justified. Left and right alignment should be proper. Right is 1.5, left is 1, top and bottom is 1. Then line index is 1.5. So these are the things that we have to maintain whenever we are writing. So whatever you are writing, that should be maintained in proper. Then she has written about the existing system and need for the system. So she has written existing all work are done manually in manual booking system. Customer has go to the travel house, asking inquiry, maintaining register, add advertisement in local newspaper, use traveling facility for limited area or person. So these are the problems she has identified into the existing system. Then what is the need of the system? The computer has already created a miraculous effect in the life of the common man, may be in the means of communication, entertainment, information, and what she has jot down. This application is developed to provide a best traveling services to customer. More customer not get tour information because existing system add advertisement in pamphlet or local market, and the tour owner think that make a website or our tour for the advertisement. Let us know about the early trip information for customer. More customer book of tour to provide the online tour booking for customer, to provide package detail, to maintain booking database, facilitate user friendly application. So she has tried to jot down some of the a problem statement or the need wherein the uh, owner of this tours and travel company is interested. In the scope part, she has written like tourist agency can make use of its saving customer detail in database. The application can easily implement under various situations. We can add new feature as and when we require. Reusability of the application is also possible. See, the in the scope part, we what is expected, that what is the boundary of your project, means what are the facility, what are the things is going to be covered into this project, not exactly this which is written over here. In this particular project, what is the what are the scope can be, that here she can write that my scope of the project is for a limited area. This is going to provide a services in this area. This is meant for the booking and the information providing. It is not related to the advertisement. It is not related to others. So that is what scope is. It is giving me the limitation. So you just have to understand that what is the limitation of this project. Operating environment, hardware, Pentium for processor, 120 MB or higher RAM, color monochrome monitor, keyboard, Microsoft compatible button mouse. Software operating system Windows 10, software WAM server. Here is what is expected. Here we have to divide into three parts. One is called server side, development side, and client side. So all three area we require a hardware and the software both. So you just have to maintain that what are the hardware is required minimum on that particular server, development, and client side. Similarly, what are the software are required with the version on the server, development, and client side. Then she has written about detailed description of technology used. So what she has written about that there are two kind of language has been used in tour management system, programming language, database language. Database is not a language. So here what is expected, that you have to specify the version of the, what is the CSS version, what is MySQL version, what is JavaScript version, what is PHP version, and then you have to HTML version, everything. So that will be beneficial to you. Then the proposed system. So what are the things he has added? The tours and customers should be able to get the whole tour information, then select tour package, fill the booking from the provided their computers. So in the proposed system you have to specify what are the things is going to be done with the proposed system. So you just have to maintain that things. So unless until you maintain, it is not going to be proper. So you have to specify the proposed system will provide all the information related to tours and travel management. The proposed system will let the user to search and book the tours and travel. The proposed system will provide the facility to the administrator to maintain the database of the customer and tour package and all. So these are the things that you have to mention into the proposed system. The objective of the system, whatever it is written, that is supposed to be start with the two keyword. So you have to write to provide the all the information on the portal of tours and travel management. We have to develop a tours and travel management, provide a search platform where tourists can. So this to provide a searching facility to the user for the tour, their tour booking. The system also promote the responsible and interesting tour to enjoy their holiday and their. This is not an objective. Tourists can book their tours. The system also helps the history of visited places of its user. To keep to provide to maintain the record of the users of previous visiting. Like this, you have to write. The system also give the tour related information. So to provide the more detailed information about tourist places and with the videos and photographs. So you have to write into this way. The user to provide a detailed information of tour package, to provide a booking form, to provide contact from for the inquiry, to provide tour places, facilities, services. So these are your objective actually. You just have to change the wording into the user has requested to provide all the information of tour package on the web portal. The user is interested in provide to get a booking form on the portal. The user is interested, a user has requested to make a inquiry form. User is also interested to provide all the tour place facilities, service package information on this portal. Like this you have to write. Analysis and design. Yeah, so object diagram is okay because he has used the proper instantiation of the variables which is being used into the classes. Here C has properly written the name of the variables and their functions. Use case diagram. Here what is expected, you have to write global use case diagram for tours and travel management first, and then you have to include all the actors, and instead of database we have to put a one actor is as in DBA and the process name is manage database. Sequence diagram is related to that C has to maintain in proper. Activity diagram, okay. Data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, what is expected that you must have to number of inquiries and number of outputs should be there. So you have not written any of the inquiry in this. ER diagram, you have to maintain the cardinality and you have to specify which is the primary key and the foreign key into the table. The database should be in proper. It is not supposed to be taken from the MySQL. So you have to specify proper table specification. Data dictionary cannot be into this like this. It is supposed to be dictionary. If we are using the word dictionary, it should be proper dictionary, but it is a table specification actually. Menu tree, okay. Okay, localhost and date and time. Okay, perfect. Gallery, okay. Just you have to add the description of this screenshot which you have taken. You have to specify. Here you have to take one snap of the validated page because it is a form, so there must be a validation. So you have to use the JavaScript for validation and you have to take a snap of that user has entered the wrong and it is verifying that it is entered properly or not. The same validation page is required. Here is also okay, database. Okay, so database is working properly. Admin login report. So booking details and all. Okay. So what C has done, C has displayed all the information related to this that I didn't want. I want a specific information wherein we are going to use where clause. So that is what expected into the report. Okay, it's look good. So she has written the so many things in proper. Okay, limitations he has written, process enhancement, proposed enhancement. Okay, so she has added the enhancement also. Conclusion. Okay, okay. So here you have to specify the path of from where you get the information. Okay, it's a good work. Attempted, a very good attempted by Pooja. So you just have to make the changes accordingly, and all the student is supposed to do the changes accordingly. Okay.